Okay, students, let us continue our discussion on circular convolution using fast Fourier transformation algorithms. Last session, I have completed DIT FFT algorithm. Now, in this video session, I shall complete DIF FFT algorithm. I have given an example here where x of n is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, okay, 4 point. And similarly, h of n given is 1, 0, 1, 0. Find y of n is equal to x of n circularly convoluted. Please check that it is circularly convoluted with h of n. 4 point DFT. Now I have to use DIF FFT algorithm. Please note that DIF FFT algorithm. Step 1, you know the steps here. Find x of k. That means I have to find for this first signal x of k. I have to find. I will be using you know that fast Fourier transformation algorithm, correct? Fast Fourier transformation algorithm. Just 4 lines I have to draw. And in DIF algorithms, you know that the longer butterfly comes in the starting and crisscross comes at the end. As well as you know that the input will be serial and the output will be decimated, correct? X of n I will write here. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, correct? Here I will complete all the, you already well versed with how exactly to do this, correct? W4 0 and W4 1, correct? Now let me complete this. 1, 1, sum 1 and 1, 2, okay? 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now it continue 2, 2, 0, 0 after multiplying through twiddle factor, correct? Now 2 plus 2, 4, correct? 2 minus 2, 0. Anyway, here both are 0, hence the answer is 0, 0. Now, here whatever is there, no, that is x naught. For completion, I will write everything here. What is this? This is x2. Why it is x2? Because DIF algorithm, please note that it is DIF algorithm and decimation takes place at the output. Decimated. Please, this is a very important point, decimated. This is x1, this is x3, right? I have written this. Step 1 you have completed. Now let me go to step 2. I have to find the second signal. Here it is given as h, okay? Hence I have to find h of k. To find h of k. Now I have to find h of k. I will again draw 4 straight lines. And longer diagrams at the start and crisscross at the end. One. Now here serial, it is given as 1 0 1 0 1 0, correct? 1 0 1 0. Now at this point 1 plus 1 2. At this point 0 plus 0 0. Then this point 1 minus 1 0. This point 0 minus 0 0. It becomes 2 0 0 0. Now again at the end it is 2 plus 0 2, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 it is 2, correct? And then anyway here both are 0. Hence this is x naught, this is x2, This is x1, x3 decimated. Now step 3. I have to find this y of k. These are just names are changed, okay? Y of k is equal to x of k as per this equation given multiplied by h of k. Now it becomes x of k. X of k is what? 4, 0, 0, 0 multiplied by h of k. It is 2, 2, 0, 0. After you multiply, you get it as 8, 0, 0, 0. 8, 0, 0, 0. Now step 4. What is step 4? You have to find y of n. Y of n, which is equal to IDFT of y of k, conceptually. Now I have to apply IDFT algorithm, that's all. I have to apply IDFT algorithm. What I will do? I will again draw 4 straight lines. Now and here -1. Please note that this is W4 raised to -0. This is W4 raised to -1. Okay, and at the last stage it is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now I have to see to that whatever is there, no, it is written serially 8, 0, 0, 0. Now this point 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8. Now at this point 0 plus 0. Then next point 8 minus 0. Please note that it is 8 minus 0. It is 8. 0 minus 0, 0. Next 8 transfers here, 0 transfers here. 8 into 1, 8. 0 into j, 0. Now coming back to this point now. 8, 8 plus 0, 8. Then 8 minus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. Now after multiplying with the factor of 1 by 4, it becomes 2 is equal to 2. Correct? Is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Now all these answers are written, but these are decimated. Please note that these are decimated. I may be getting the answer here 2, 2 only, but you write that x0, x2, sorry, it is y, isn't it? y0, y, y0, y2, y1 and y3. Hence I got my answer y of n as per the given notation here, okay? Some different notation is used, that's all. 2, 2, 2 and 2 is my answer. I applied, this is the answer. I applied DIF algorithm, that's all. Nothing more than that, nothing special from the just previous video which I have posted you, okay? But here DIF algorithm is used to find the circular convolution. I hope you understood this. Be careful while you apply these simple algorithms. Don't miss anything like critical points like multiplying by twiddle factors or multiplying by 1 by 4 or writing this serially as well as decimation here in the output. All these are very important points in DIF. If you practice more and more problems, you will become perfect. That's what I want to convey you. If you solve 1 or 2 examples and forget about that, no, you surely going to miss at one or the other points. Similarly, it may look very simple. Okay, here it is simply 2 minus 0. Somewhere at one point you may go wrong. Hence you should be very careful. so as to solve these simple examples. Thank you. If any doubts are there, you can contact me.